हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है बोल बॉस बोल। आज बोल बॉस बोल आपके लिए लेके आया है एक ऐसा पॉडकास्ट जहां पे आपको पता चलेगा हमारे इंडिया में टैलेंटेड लोगों की कमी नहीं है। टैलेंट भर भर के पड़ा है। आज मैं मिलाऊंगा आपको राहुल रामगढ़े, जो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के कैप्टन है, व्हील चेयर पे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं और ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस। उनका एक ही वर्ड आपको मोटिवेट कर देगा और आपको बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा। आइए मिलते हैं राहुल रामगढ़े से।
Hello, my name is Rahul Ramugade. I am a player of Indian wheelchair cricket team. I am a captain of Mumbai wheelchair cricket team. I am a national para swimmer and I like to do adventure sports like scuba diving, wall climbing and everything. Today I am here in Acred company at Dahisar. So Rajesh sir has invited us for their in their office, and we have associated with sir and Acred company now very long time. So we started approaching sir. When we organize matches, or we have to use washroom there or some lunch hall there, and that is not accessible because there are few steps. So we approached Rajesh Patil sir कि we want to use that facility. We are getting the facility in very low cost, but that is not accessible. So sir has been always there, and he has helped our team to make places accessible so that we can focus in our game, not the accessibility or inaccessibility part. So that, and now around 40% with disability on wheelchair who practice wheelchair basketball, wheelchair cricket, wheelchair tennis, wheelchair badminton, you can name it, and we play that there. So that's also because of Acred company that is supporting us to make places accessible. And the ramps which sir provides there are many types of ramp. So from the 1 to 2 foot ramps to 15 feet ramp they have, and it is also very variable types are there. Suitcase ramps is there, then telescopic ramp is there, and now FRP ramps sir is building, which is lightweight, so you can carry it and install it for the more than 10 step you can go. It is around 15 to 20 feet long ramps are there. So there are many types. They customize it, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to contact them. They will do the survey, understand the need, and they definitely install the ramp there. And we need more people like Rajesh or Acred company to come forward to make places accessible. So as a wheelchair user, we often don't go to places that is not accessible. So generally I visit some restaurants, or I want to go to movie, but the thing that places are not accessible. So once I contacted the restaurant manager and also the manager of a movie theater, I told them कि sir, it is not accessible, how can I watch? So he said कि आप जैसे लोग आते नहीं तो हम बनाए क्यों? The thing is that उल्टा है, अगर accessible बनाओगे तो हम आएंगे. So for making that accessible, we need Acred company or government officials to take this seriously. So you can't see us outside more because places are not accessible. And movie theater just needed two, three ramps in places at washroom and everything. We can easily go there. So the thing is accessible होगा तो हम आएंगे, and that is Acred is doing. And I feel accessibility is not for us only, wheelchair user के लिए. If some elderly person is going somewhere, he also need that ramp. Even in societies, so sir has installed some ramp in societies. So imagine if you are going somewhere with a 15 kg bag on an airport, and you find a 4-step there. So you have to just pull your bag and keep it down. That much effort you have to need to do. But if that is the steps was accessible, a ramp is there, you just have to roll it down and you can use that bag easily. You don't have to pull it. The thing that while pulling 15 kg at one time, you might dislocate your shoulder or some cramp also you can get for that. So why you don't want to take risks? So my point is that accessibility not only for wheelchair users, it's for all. So that's why we need more accessible places in our Mumbai and all over in India. And we thank again Rajesh Patil sir for inviting us, and whatever the work is doing sir, please keep it up. We are always there for you, and I know you are also there for us. Thank you so much.